Hi everybody, my name is Stefan and today I want to remount this plant. This plant is an Angraecum Leonis and I received it on this plastic mount when I ordered it, and I don't know if you have seen the video of me reviewing that order from Spice Exotic. But it came in on this plastic mount, and I am not a fan, to say the least. So what I'm going to do today is to report it on something that I much rather prefer. I'm going to use this piece of cork. I bought this from Amazon. It arrived as about 6 pieces of small cylinders of cork. In my latest video, when I mounted my Phalaenopsis purpura, that was a pretty big plant, and so I mounted it on a whole piece of like this. This plant is a lot smaller, and so I will need to cut this down. First of all, let me show you this plant a little bit more in detail. It's quite a nice specimen. I really like the look of this plant. I think it is very peculiar. He has a little growth here on the side, and possibly I've seen another one somewhere, but it was very small. Anyways, it is a big plant with another smaller plant on the side. I will try to make the most out of having these two and kind of try to display them both. On the side, at the back, sorry, rather it is held together by this wire. Okay, it seems relatively loose now, so I'll be trying to undo this wire here that is holding it attached to the mount and hope for the best. Okay, well done. As you can see, there are quite a few dead roots in here, and I would like, and some dead leaves as well. I would like to clean as much as possible. I'm hoping that just clipping them using my fingernails will be enough. Hoping this is a great time to remove old leaves. Just debris in general that I can find. You don't need to be too precise about it. You can just make sure that you're removing most of it. I can see that this is some old sphagnum moss. Sphagnum moss lasts a very long time, but not forever, so you want to remove it because it will probably be decaying and you probably want to swap it for some new sphagnum moss. Okay, now that I have tweezers and some pair of small scissors, I can start cutting all the old roots and removing as much as I can of the old stuff from here. Usually the roots being brown is a dead giveaway that they are dead. As I mentioned in my previous video, if you're a smart person and you really care, you should sterilize your scissors because you can transmit viruses between plants. And those viruses, those orchid viruses, are terminal in the sense that they are pretty much incurable unless you do something extremely drastic. They are probably not going to kill the plant in a hurry, but you can also then transfer that to other plants, so in a way it's a little bit of a death sentence, to be honest. Okay, I'm quite happy with it, so let's have a look. I am sure that it will be possible to cut a little bit more, but I think that this is as good as it gets without going too hard on it. Now, let's have a look at how this could look like. I would like this plant to face up, but also would like it slightly oriented to the side so that I can give some space to this other plant that is growing here. So, also got this little knob to play with, and I don't know if maybe it would be nice to have it as a crevice for the both of them to stand on. Possible, I don't know. And that's why I haven't cut this piece of cork yet, because you kind of want to play with it a little bit. You want to see what feels right. Perfect. Yeah,